What's up guys? Today I'll tell you a little story about me and the Asus ZenBook. So cue to the intro. As a content creator in TechNiv, I need to work 24/7 on scripting, ideas, and working on my editings. So when I got this ZenBook Duo 2 weeks ago, it really helps me on shortening my time on producing my contents. Especially with the 12.6-inch ScreenPad Plus display, it is specially designed for creators to use as a secondary and timeline display for apps like Premiere Pro and Adobe Audition to get better controls. And with the stylus, it makes editing on Photoshop easier with the ScreenPad Plus. Plus, it also can allow you multitask while doing your edits, with the timeline on the ScreenPad and the video on the main screen. So here are the tech specs. As for the sockets, it has a USB 3.0 Type-C and 2 USB 3.0 Type-A, 1 HDMI, 1 audio jack, 1 microSD card reader, and a power socket. Aside from the ScreenPad Plus, another unique feature of this laptop will be the hinge mechanism. Once you open the laptop, it automatically raises the keyboard from the back that gives you a better ergonomic typing position and better in its cooling performance. Asus has also highlighted the audio system, which uses Asus Sonic Master Stereo audio system with surround sound that is tuned by Harman Kardon. So let's check out the audio quality. There's a downside on this laptop, which is the cramped keyboard design that I'm not used to because I've been using a 15-inch laptop all the time. The space between the keys are too tight that I've often mistyped during my work. But overall, with its compact size and the built-in dual screen pad feature, it do makes work easier on it. With its unique smart circular brush finish outlook, it adds a tinge of elegance to you when you hold on to it. Hope you like the short video of me with the Asus ZenBook Duo. Be sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'm Joshua C from TechNiv. See you next time.